Hello, this is Jamshed, and today we are here for the presentation of Audit Assurance and Compliance. Me and my group members will explain the case study regarding the Royal Scotland versus Bannerman Johnson Maclay. So, before going into the depth of the case study, we have to see the introduction. In the introduction, the main objective of making this report is critically to analyze the legal case on the organization that involving in the matter of litigation and want to sort out these. This report contains the role and important part of an auditor and in financial statements and problems. So in the description of this case study, we have seen that what's the description. So the factual issue behind the case was the defenders of the company because they are engaged in preparing the account for the customer of the bank. So the factual issues are the defenders of the company and bank claim for negligence. So the bank claimed on the company for the negligence in the part of the company regarding the accounts that have been prepared for by its chartered accountants because the defenders are the CA of the company. So for the next slides, I would like to call Thin to carry on the proceeding. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tin Vulai. My ID is EMV 20777. Today I'm talking about the responsible parties. So actually there are two parties responsible. One of them there are two persons there. Main person there for the company. This is Paul Conning is an employee of the company, and Mark Mohan is an auditor of the company. Mohan is responsible for doing to make the financial report. So it's so important because all of the shareholders of the company basically depend on this report. And now moving to damages and penalties. It has been disclosed that it provided two types of loans. One of them is €1.5 million, and another one is €100,000. Therefore, the pursuer appointed a receiver to check whether the report are true, correct, or not including any immaterial or unethical errors. On 24th of September 1998. So as a result, the report is inaccurate and full of immaterial fact and the false presentation as well. So they found out that the judge of the accountants have the connection with the CPA, the company, and they also have the secret plan with another employee to open a new business. Now I move to relevant issues and accounting and auditing. So it has been seen various types of issues in the relation with auditing and accounting. First of all, the revenue and recognition. It is the main method of the company in terms of considering the income of the entity. But according to this case study, accounting and auditing standards are not the same of the considering the income of the company. The second is a simplification gap. It helps in business as it provides the guidelines and the standard regarding to the accounting and auditing of the company report, and it checks the report is true or not. And the last one is the substitute. Here it has been discussed the alternate or the substitute for the private companies. The reason is that it makes easy and simple understand generally accepted accounting principle when the user wants to obtain the information from the company financial report. Another one is they have the ability to choose intangible assets that brought separately from the goodwill of the company, And the final thing is add in providing an exemption to fulfill the needs of the consolidated interest. Now this is I move to another part, but my friends. Now we move to the next part. So my friend Ahmad will present this.
Hi, my name is Rahimullah Khan Faisal. I'm here to talk about main causes of the cases. The first one is market pressure, and the second is organizational structure, and third is the fraud. The market pressure. The term pressure means that something enforces. Abstract currencies can be made under severe pressure in the foreign exchange market, but in a fixed exchange rate regime that is not fully visible via change in the exchange rate. Exchange market pressure is a concept developed to nevertheless measure the pressure in such cases. And we have the second one, organizational structure. Organizational structure means that those values of the entity that make the organization atmosphere good and healthy, and it will also help in creation a good environment within the company. And we have the fraud in terms that can be referred to as cheating made by one person with another for the purpose of their self-benefit. Fraud in auditing means the auditor which is not activities done by auditor which is not give permission by any auditing norms in presenting the company financial statements. And the next part will be done by Raza.
Hello everyone, my name is Misam Raza Razvi Syed, student ID BSI2321. I would like to continue the rest of the topic. Misrepresentation is a mistake in financial document. Here I would like to take an example of Royal Bank of Scotland versus Bannerman Johnston Macleay. According to this case study, defendants are the team of chartered accountants of the company. The CS of the company were prepared the financial report of the company as per the guideline that was provided by the organization management team. By seeing the company financial report of audit bank provides capital to the company. By after some time, the bank saw that the company produces its. The auditor report was not true and fair. Awarding damages. Damages are given by the company. Reason being banks suffer loss due to the negligence of an auditor and company. And auditing strategies. While starting the process of auditing by an auditor, it should be mandatory for an auditor that he should make some plans and strategy of auditing and execute such plans and procedure according to the plans were made in the earlier for the benefit of him and company. Thank you. Now my friend Abhishek will come and continue the rest of the topic. Thank you.
Hi guys, now I'll continue after Syed. So we'll talk about auditing program. Auditing program means to make a plan and execute them. Auditing plan should be clear to auditors and to companies. Also, the companies should make their criteria clear with auditors so they can make an execute plan regarding it. And they can get a fair result. Now move to the last part of this presentation, which is conclusion. According to the above report, it has been concluded that every company, whether it's small or large, has a crucial role in accounting and auditing. Further eliminating and reducing the risk of factor affect the financial performance. It also been established that an execution of standard auditing rules itself helps company to better develop itself. Now, in recommendation, every company and organization should accept the same standard and procedures of auditing. In addition, auditing timing, properly stated auditing objectives, and execution of auditing rules should be clear to everyone, so they can also the communication should be clear between companies and auditor. Thank you.